let's join the slime tour in Winnipeg, Manitoba right now.
Yeah! Winnipeg, Winnipeg, UhOh! Winnipeg, Winnipeg, UhOh!
Oh yes, here we are in Winnipeg at the park. And I don't know why, but it makes me think of food. Maybe because it's all around me. And isn't good food and art go together? Yes, it is. We put food and art together in a game that we like to call... Aqua, what are you cooking up for us?
We begin by breaking down the barriers between soup and performer. Now, I want you to become the soup. I want you to be one with the soup. And while you're in the borscht, let this be your motivation. Find 5 pepper shakers and take each one individually back to your basket. And once you've done that, you can go see Aaron.
Here we have a still life of fruits that you shall paint for me, but I don't want a classical representation. I want your emotions on the canvas. How does this fruit make you feel? Does it give you gas? Paint fruit by sitting on fruit. Squish 5 and go see Christian.
The whole concept is to take commonplace items, everyday things that we take for granted, and make them transcend themselves into art, like the pierogi. So dress yourself in this cheese, sour cream, and bacon and onion, and then run over to your dipping sauce, put on your shell, and then it's off to the finish. Yeah.
All right, let's find out who's playing in today's game.
Hi, I'm next in a car. I gotta beat these other guys. And I'm Gavin Justine, and this game's mine.
Hi, I'm Ricky Ricard. Tear up this court!
Oh, they are one with their hair. I am one with my hair. All right, you've seen the teams. Now it's time to vote. If you choose right, you get 35 points. And if you choose wrong, I'm giving you nothing. So make sure you choose right. And while you're voting, let's see what they're playing for.
For our slime tour winner from Samsung, the Maxima 105 XL camera. Take great pictures easily with autofocus, red eye reduction, and fuzzy logic intelligence mode, as well as 38 to 105mm zoom. Get quality, get Samsung. Our runners-up take home another Swatch innovation in time, the Swatch Beat. This watch features internet time, millennium countdown, alarm, stopwatch, and second time zone. Live to a new beat with a new 3 Swatch Beat.
Okay, the votes are in on the floor. Let's see who chose what. Well, blue and green both chose orange, and red chose yellow just to be different. Let's go back to Sean to see who's right.
Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And they're off into the pool they go. They gotta find salt and pepper shakers. Salt and pepper shakers. That's all they gotta do. And they gotta dump them into the basket and then off the door. Into that spot. All you gotta find.
3 more. I'll get that one. 2 more.
Okay, here we go.
Come on, 2 more.
Is it gonna be purple? Is it gonna be orange? Is it gonna be yellow?
One more.
Is it gonna be purple? Is it gonna be orange? Is it gonna be yellow?
Purple go. Let's go. Purple go. One at a time.
Purple's away, orange is away, orange is away first. This is some beautiful artwork. This is some beautiful artwork.
One for yellow.
Squish it.
You do it.
I want all 3 of those things over your head, dude. Yeah, good job. Let's go. Number 2.
Where's it gonna be? You're gonna dump
3.
it.
That's great.
Sour
It's
cream.
in the pool. Okay,
cheddar.
purple. Cool. There you go. Now pull it out of the pool.
Into the pool we go.
All right, good job. Pull it. Get out of the pool. Get it right down the pool and onto your body. All right? Good job, Lauren. Someone get that on your body.
They've got to cross the
Get it
line.
on your
Where's it
body,
gonna be?
baby. All right, you guys, pull right in the pool.
Looks
Okay,
like it's
Lauren,
gonna be
go.
orange.
Your time, go.
It
Good
looks
job.
like it's gonna be orange at the finish line. And it is orange. Stay there. Orange is your winner. Orange is your winner.
Hey, nice flop, Orange. Congratulations goes to Orange. But who does congratulations go to here? Well, it's not red. You chose yellow, but it does go to green and blue. You both chose orange. Well, let's get 35 points. Now, going to the final round, here are the standings. Blue's got 160 points for the lead. Green's got 60. Red, no points as of yet, but we got a trade and spin on that wheel. It's anybody's game. Come on back after these messages. We got a lot more messy games coming up right after this. Yeah.